Welcome to this ToolHound Learning Center video on customizing your homepage message panel to display information to all users. We'll look at quickly refreshing the message using the browser, additional information for on-premise systems, as well as cloud subscribers. When you open the browser, you might already have favorites and links set up. Click under Utilities, Settings, and then select the Home Page tab. The Home Page tab shows a text box where you can enter an HTML formatted message that will be displayed in a panel box similar to the links and the favorites. Enter your message and click Save. Returning to the home page displays the new message panel. This same message is displayed to all users accessing the home page. To change the message at any time, open up the settings page and make the change on the Home Message tab. To ensure the message panel is always displayed, even if there's no current information to share, save the home message box with a single space. You can change the message as often as you like, or not at all. For on-premise systems, you can set a message that is not editable in the browser. To do this, edit the home message.txt file in the W root folder of the installation path. Empty or blank home message.txt files will not display the message panel. To ensure that the message panel is always displayed, save the home message.txt file with a single space or other character. Note there's no need to restart IIS or make the users log in again. As soon as the home page is redisplayed, the changes take effect. You can change the message as often as you wish, or not at all. Cloud subscribers might see messages from ToolHound that are not displayed on the Home Message tab of the Settings page. The same applies to on-premise users where messages are not configured within the browser. You can still combine these two types of messages, both displayed in the message panel. Simply add your text for your message and save. When you return to the home page, the message you added on the home message text box is displayed beneath whatever other message is already there. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our technical support team. And remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell.